Wow, behind the scenes. Oh wow, this is definitely a new type of view. So obviously I'm in the process of filming the video. This is something you guys never get to see in this process, and you also never get to see the editing process as well. The editing process is extremely extensive. The editing video is sped up, but I will tell you right now, the editing video is almost about 2 hours long, and it's sped up at least 40 times faster, just so you can see this. This is me cutting in and out parts, speeding up parts, adding little tidbit sounds of like the next right, the transfers, the blends, the cutting individual frames and certain parts out, and fixing the audio and condensing and adding intro and exits and all different types of stuff to the actual video, and making sure that everything's in frame and everything needs to be where it is, and etc, etc, etc. It just goes on and on and on. And then of course adding the audio, making sure that the audio is not too loud, making sure that you guys are capable of hearing everything that I say, as well as being able to hear the music in the background without it being too obtrusive, but also, you know, as well as entertaining, making sure that it's not clipping. Anything that's like yellow or red means that it's clipping, which would be very annoying to the ear if you happen to have earbuds in. So yeah, and then this right here is pretty much like the finished, pretty much almost the finished result. I kept going over it and over and over it again. That's what I tend to do in a lot of my videos, is like whenever I'm editing it, I will continuously watch it backwards and forwards to make sure that it comes out the way that it should. And if I don't like it, then I fix it, or I add to it, or I take away. It just depends on what it is. As well as I also let my computer sit for a little bit as well and let it continuously process. But anyways, I hope that you liked today's behind the scenes. Anyways, I will see you all later.
Be by my side, baby.